Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are happy and healthy. So I have been using supplements to maintain my hair transplant result. I have been using multivitamin. I have also been doing meditation, yoga and some physical activity to maintain my fitness, and doing these activities increases blood flow all over your body, including your scalp. So that I am doing. So what I have done recently is I have ordered these 3 products from Add-on Clinic regarding to maintain my hair transplant result. This is a supplement and this is a topical solution. Finstrong, Add-on Finstrong, yeah, Adonocil Finstrong 2.5x topical solution है, और ये 8x shampoo for anti-dandruff shampoo. So these 3 supplements I have ordered from Add-on Clinic. Previously I was using normal Rogaine, which you can buy from Amazon, and now I have changed from Rogaine to Adonocil Finstrong 2.5. I have ordered all these products from Add-on Clinic website. This is not a promotional video. I am not promoting any hair transplant clinic or any product. I am just sharing my honest feedback, what I am using, what I am experiencing, what my feedback is, and how you can benefit from my experience. That's what I am doing. I am not promoting it. It's not a sponsored video, just for information I am telling. When I was applying Rogaine, Minoxidil and Muraf, I have showed you in my last video, I started applying this, but even after applying this I was having some itching problems, few bumps along the hairline, and here in the crown area I was getting some side effects, or you can say allergy reaction. So the doctor suggested that you might be having seborrheic dermatitis. So I have scheduled an appointment with dermatologist in coming few days. I will also update what was my feedback with that dermatologist appointment and what precautions I am taking to avoid the allergic reaction by minoxidil or this Adonocil minoxidil with finasteride in it. So I'll show you the capsule. I think I have already showed, but this is the 30 capsule box you get from Add-on Clinic website, Add-on Plus, and this is how the capsule looks like. I hope you see it. This is how the capsule looks like. This box contains 30 capsules. I'll keep you posted how I am feeling about this supplement which I am taking daily. Apart from that, how I am feeling regarding this solution. I was getting some itching problems, some bumps around the hairline, some redness, and my scalp was getting too oily and little bit dandruff. So doctor has suggested me to contact dermatologist. I have the appointment coming in few days. I will also let you know what are the suggestion given by doctor. I will keep you posted. I will give you honest feedback what I am feeling about all these 3 products. So this shampoo is 8x shampoo. It's an anti-dandruff shampoo. It's gonna be good. It is for controlling the dandruff, because this is having alcohol, so it causes dandruff in most of the people. It is causing dandruff for me as well. So this is an anti-dandruff shampoo. This is good. I'm using it on alternate day basis. I use it actually twice in a week, and in between I use an other shampoo, normal shampoo, to wash my hair, because I don't want to put harsh chemical on my hair too much. So this I use twice a week. And these are the 2 main products. This for topical solution and this the capsule. I will keep you posted that how I am seeing what is my hair growth and what is my feedback regarding Add-on Clinic and Add-on website products. So I hope you like the video. If you have any questions or comments, please post it in the comment section of this video. And so I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.